Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna Burbridge and today I'm going to be analyzing the Subaru Meet an Owner campaign. To get started, I'm going to give you a little bit of background on the Subaru brand. Subaru is a Japanese automobile manufacturing company started in 1953. Subaru of America started in 1968 and just recently celebrated their 50-year anniversary. The Subaru brand is known for being built on love. It has become one of the most recognizable and successful brands in the world. In America, Subaru's marketing is targeted towards specific niches centered on those who desire the company's signature drivetrain engine, all-wheel, rough road capabilities, and affordable sports car markets. The hashtag Meet an Owner campaign is what I'm going to be discussing today. It started in 2017 with the goal to raise brand awareness and improve Subaru's brand sentiment by marketing to millennials. The strategy was to utilize influencers and Subaru owners through social and digital media. The platforms utilized were Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and a campaign website. The approach was that Subaru knows that millennials seek out third-party reviews when making purchases, and they rely heavily on word of mouth. So they connected them with Subaru owners first. Subaru worked with 20 influencers across various categories ranging from fitness to art. Each influencer created unique pieces of content centered around a Subaru car and infused their authentic voice into the content. Casting a wide net of submissions on their site, Subaru aimed to feature real owners from all walks of life, ranging from everyday citizens to social influencers, celebrities, and pro athletes. Subaru gave the influencers free rein on the content that they posted. We're going to now check out some of the influencers that Subaru used in their campaign. First, we're going to be talking about Zach King. Zach King is an Instagram influencer who performs eye-catching digital magic tricks. His clever tricks have mass appeal, and consequently, Subaru was able to reach an enormous diverse audience by partnering with King. For Subaru's campaign, King created 2 Instagram videos that featured magic tricks centered around Subaru cars. In his first sponsored post, King created an illusion where a 3-piece cutout of a Subaru car was replaced by a real Subaru. The use of a branded prop enabled him to promote Subaru while sticking to his tried and true content style, making an enjoyable video that received 11% engagement. Subaru entrusted King with creative freedom, allowing him to satisfy his audience while simultaneously showcasing the brand. We are now going to watch Zach King's video. Results of King's 2 sponsored videos included over 1.6 million likes and over 7,000 comments. His overall engagement rate was 9%. The next influencer we're going to talk about is Devin Supertramp. Devin Graham, known by the alias Devin Supertramp, is an adventurous YouTuber best known for his extreme stunt videos. He created 3 YouTube videos in partnership with Subaru, 2 of which included professional stunts, and one that featured Graham discussing his journey as a creator and a stuntman. His involvement in the hashtag Meet an Owner campaign effectively strengthened ties between Subaru and outdoor adventure while reaching an enormous audience. One of his Subaru-sponsored YouTube videos featured him doing a slip and slide off a 500-foot cliff. Graham thanks Subaru in the video description and in the 5 sponsored Instagram posts that promoted the video. In each caption, he was clear in showcasing Subaru as making the unusual stunt possible. In one post he says, "I've been driving a Subaru since I could drive at 16 and never thought I would have the chance to work with a brand I genuinely loved." His caption highlights his positive opinion of Subaru and communicates to his audience that the brand helped to make the exciting content they enjoy a reality. We are now going to watch Devin's YouTube video. So I showed you two different parts of the video. It's a pretty long video. You should definitely check it out on YouTube. It's pretty fun and exciting. So Devin had over 160,000 likes and 856 comments generated through 13 sponsored Instagram posts, as well as 1.2 million views and 45,000 likes on 3 YouTube videos. His engagement rate on YouTube was 4.5% and his engagement rate on Instagram was 4.2%. Our next influencer we're going to be talking about is Shawn. Shawn Todd McBride, better known as Shawn, is an influencer known for his Snapchat stories and YouTube videos. In partnership with Subaru, he created 4 Instagram posts and a 5-part YouTube series called Our Cool Subaru Car and Cool Things We Do With It, which has garnered 11.8 million views to date. Known for his active lifestyle and laid-back personality, McBride pitched Subaru as a fun, family-friendly car to his large following. In the first video series, McBride introduced the campaign using a series of doodles. McBride is widely known for his drawings and doodles, which were a large part of his rise to social media stardom. By sticking to his usual style of content, McBride, like King and Graham, was able to deliver the type of content his audience knows and loves. In this way, he was able to effectively engage with his audience while also clearly promoting Subaru cars. We are now going to watch Shawn's YouTube video.
I have an awesome announcement! But first, I need to tell you guys the whole story. So, here. That's me. As you guys know, I like to skateboard. And snowboard. And lots of other cool stuff. Story goes like this. That's my hot wife, Jenny. She also likes to do cool things and go outdoors and just have lots of adventures. We're basically best friends. We've done lots of cool things together. And then we got married. And then we had baby Adley. Baby Adley's the best. Basically, moral of the story is we needed a car that was like fun and could take us cool places and just keep up with all our adventurousness. Is that even a word? And it had to be safe, family friendly. That's why we got Subaru Outback. So I made this, a Shawn Meet and Owner Profile. We are starting a series called Our Cool Subaru Car and Cool Things We Do With It series. And it's going to be great. It will be different uploads than the normal Best Day Ever videos, which is awesome because that means 2 videos in one day. You guys will have 2 videos to watch in one day, which is great news. So, keep an eye out for it. They are paid promotions for Subaru, and they are awesome. Guaranteed cool. Is there anything else about this announcement? Nope, I think that's it. See you soon. Enjoy.
So Chandra's got 31,000 likes and 292 comments generated through 4 sponsored Instagram posts, as well as 1.2 million views and 28,000 likes on 5 YouTube videos. His engagement rate was 7.1% on Instagram and 6% on YouTube. Our next influencer is Tosh. He's an American comedian, television host, and producer known for his show Tosh.0. Tosh created a absurdist meetanowner.com submission to his fans on Twitter for maximum impact, as it was posted across social media's social platforms and on YouTube and their Snapchat Discover channel. Tosh was also up for a Shorty Award for his work in the video, with over 3.5 million unique views on Snapchat and delivering nearly 8.5 million impressions across the campaign. The Tosh Meet an Owner piece was an incredible success, staying true to a marquee network talent's creative voice, delivering Subaru a video for their hub that stood out beyond all the rest, and giving fans and Subaru more of what they want. Tosh. Another influencer is Bucky Lee Casey. He's a professional skateboarder and rallycross driver, is also a Subaru ambassador and Subaru owner. He's very vocal on social media, posting about Subaru, and drives a Subaru STI car in his races. We also have Heather Day, who's an American artist and entrepreneur. She is known for her modern abstract murals and large-scale paintings. She was also an influencer in this Meet an Owner campaign, and Subaru hosted Heather Day art events throughout the campaign. In addition to the creative spots, Subaru also launched a content-driven site that showcases narratives from real-life owners, helping them share their love and passion for the brand with others. The site features over 100 loyal Subaru owners of various models with their first name, how long they've owned their Subaru, a short description of how their car fits their lifestyle, and some even post a walk-around video. Potential customers can send them a message, ask questions, and get a response back from these Subaru ambassadors. The Meet an Owner campaign had an overall engagement rate of 9%, generating thousands of comments and millions of likes for 58 sponsored posts. It generated nearly 2.5 million views on YouTube with an average engagement rate of 5%. The Meet an Owner campaign was a nominee for the 2018 Webby Award, which is excellence on the internet presented annually by the International Academy of Digital Arts and Sciences. It was up for the category Best Social Community Building and Engagement. Subaru's goal in this campaign was to reach millennials. The first part of that is the platform that they chose, and the second part is how they chose to reach them. Subaru recognized that authenticity is a key element when marketing to millennials, and that millennials respond to messaging from peers and influencers over communication that appears to be solely coming from a brand. They also recognize that the best way to reach millennials is on social media, so Subaru decided to let others tell their story and choose their platform. I think this campaign worked well by utilizing social media influencers to create a sense of community and be the face of the brand. The campaign did a terrific job targeting younger, free-spirited outdoorsmen and creative people who need a reliable and affordable car. Not only was this campaign successful at reaching millennials, it was also successful at increasing brand engagement. Subaru and Meet an Owner hashtags were everywhere, and people who were not paid influencers also caught on because of their passion for their vehicles and the brand. I think that measuring brand engagement might be difficult in this because the influencers were doing so much of the interacting with the potential customers, and Subaru did not necessarily have control over the increasing engagement. What were they classifying as engagement? The number of views, impressions, likes, etc.? There is not a very good and accurate way to measure this, since engagement was on varying platforms and posted by a large number of people. I felt that ROI was difficult to measure on this campaign. We don't really know from the research that I've done how much Subaru actually spent on paying these influencers. We know that they spent money on their website, but that's really it. And we don't know how much ROI came out of this. I suggest that Subaru send out a survey to all Subaru buyers asking them how they heard about the car brand, giving them options like referred by a friend, Meet the Owner campaign, etc. It might not be the most reliable, but it would give them a cost-effective way to gather data. Overall, I think Subaru did a great job with their Meet an Owner campaign, and I'm a happy owner of a Subaru as a result of it. Here are my references if you want to go and read more about the Subaru Meet an Owner campaign.